This video is designed for faculty as a resource when converting courses from face-to-face to online. As we take a closer look under the SBCT Collaboration Training Site Content tab, you will notice several key areas. Each of these items listed houses information which includes written how-to instructions, short tutorial videos, discussion boards, and a Dropbox. I'll speak more about the drop boxes later in the video. The Guide tab has several items listed you may find helpful when getting started, such as the checklist. This checklist is interactive, meaning you are able to review the instructions for each item listed, use the live link to take you to more instructions on the topic, and you're able to click and put a check mark in the box after you have completed the task. This is a handy tool, especially if you find that you need to stop and come back later to finish setting up your D2L shell. In addition to using the direct links within the Guide tab, you will notice underneath of the Guide tab direct links, which are the same ones that were found in the checklist. These links include how to set up your gradebook in D2L, using the assignment Dropbox, creating quizzes within D2L, staying connected with your students using your required @student.elgin.edu email. Also, for those teaching asynchronously, we've created instructions on how to record your videos, including how to upload those videos, audios, and/or documents. Additionally, you will find information for those who are choosing to teach synchronously. Information on how to use Zoom and Google Meet can be found here. Other resources include an ADA compliant checklist, information for you to share with your students who may need extra help when learning online, and a section for upcoming professional development opportunities. For consistency, we have set up each subject area identically, meaning each area, as stated earlier in this video, has written instructions, including the tutorial videos and 2 discussion boards. The first discussion board is for posting questions, and the other is for sharing tips and tricks with each other. Each one also comes with a Dropbox. The Dropboxes were created for faculty who would like feedback or more guided direction when creating their online course. Just follow the instructions and let us know how we can help. Please note, this feedback is not part of ECC's official faculty observation process. Instead, it's an informal way to receive off-the-record feedback as you are building your online course. Faculty are also welcome to contact the ECC Distance Learning Office, and a member of the office can access your D2L course and provide feedback. Either way, we're here to help.